Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to refresh the chat in NotebookLM. So one of the great things about using NotebookLM is you can customize which sources you're using when you prompt the chatbot different things. But when you do that, you may want to change sources because you may be interested in learning about something else using different sources in the responses. And how you do that, you have to be a little bit careful. There is this button here for refreshing the prompt, and this will delete any of the prompts that are in that chat history. However, you have to make sure that the sources you want to include in the next set of prompts and responses is already selected. So if I deselect some and I just select these and I hit refresh, all right, it's now setting up the next chat to use these two sources as the source material. So even if I do this, it won't include that because I haven't refreshed the chat and reset what sources I'm going to use. All right, so I'll just type something here, get it to respond, and now that I have something, I can refresh once it does this. And now this chatbot will be set up to use all of the sources. So make sure you're doing this in the right order. You want to make sure you select the sources for the next chat session before you refresh the old one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.